channel. So first of all, I am very sorry for not being very consistent. There's a lot of work which came up suddenly, and so I didn't have the time to actually sit down, edit, shoot and upload. But now I'm going to be more consistent, and I promise you all that I'll upload more videos every week. So secondly, I am going to do a Colaba haul. I went to Colaba yesterday and I bought a few stuff. So like I bought accessories, clothes and some miscellaneous stuff. I'm excited to show you all. So let's start. First I'm going to show you all the tops, then I guess I just have one bottom, and then we'll move on to the accessories. So the first top is this white turtleneck. It is turtleneck. It has some pattern, like some dashes of black color, which makes it look like grey, but actually it's white, and yeah, it's full sleeves. I think it was for 200, and I'm going to list down the prices in the description box and here in the side, so y'all can check it out. Okay, so now moving on to the second item. Also just I want to put it out there that all these clothes might not fit me, so I am going to give my sister those clothes which actually are tight for me or don't fit me well. So here is the second top. It's dark blue, navy blue in color, and yeah, it's half sleeves. It's the material is like winterish. It's not woolen, but it is a bit thick, and yeah, it's casual. So this top along with the other top, which is just like this but in white color, they both together came for 300, so 150 for each top. That's pretty cheap. So this is the second top which I was talking about. This is the white top. It is just like the blue one. It is the material is fat. It is like winterish, but it's not woolen, and it's half sleeves. It's full on casual. But you can dress it up or dress it down however you want. And the last top which I have is this pink color top. It has one graphic type thing here. It's babyish pink, has black details on the collar and sleeves. It's half sleeves, and it's thoda short. It's not crop top, but it's short. So yeah, this was for 200. Now moving on to the shorts. I got one black short. It's actually not for me. It's a size smaller than me. It's for my sister. So yeah. This was for 300. Moving on to the accessories. I've got a lot of accessories. Some are useful, some are just I say I wanted to buy them, so I got them. Here is the bag full of accessories. So the first one are these hoops. Like some of them are hoops, some of them are half hoops. They have charms in the hoops, and they're golden in color. This was from Miniso, and it was for 310, I guess. No, it was for 260. Yeah, this was for 260. This one has crosses. This one has the evil eye, and this one has hearts. I think you can see it. I really like them. I wasn't planning to buy this, but then when I saw it, I was like, yeah, it's cute. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually wear it, but I find it really cute. Moving on to some more hoops. I got small size hoops, like very small in silver, and these bigger than these ones in silver again. So yeah, that's for hoops. clips. I wanted these kind of clips where put it here and looks very cute, and I know I find it really good. So actually I saw this in H&M and Zara, but I guess it was very expensive. Like there it was written as girl or boss or something like that, and they were very expensive, like 600-700 for a pack of clips. I found that to be too expensive, because even I know I'm not going to wear it that often. I'll just wear it once or twice and then I'm done with it. So that's why I got this from Colaba. In spite of that, I still found it to be very expensive. Like this one, the Hope one was for 75. The one clip was for 75, and these two, like the pair, was for 50. Or both were for 50. I don't remember. I think so. The pair is for pair is for 100. So each one of them were for 50. So the whole this clip section came for 175, which is not that cheap. But then I didn't have an option. Now moving on to necklaces. I got a chunky piece of jewelry. Something that is very in these days. So this is the chunky necklace. It's like bapilari types, and I have seen many people wear it, and I wanted one, but when I checked it online, it was quite expensive. And even I know I'm not going to wear this very often. Like I'll just wear it in videos or once or twice when I go out, and then I'm done with it. So yeah, this was still expensive. I got this for 200. It is layered. Both of them, both the layers are of chain only, like chunky chain, and it's in gold. And the last piece of jewelry is this necklace. This is a really dainty necklace. I always wanted like more layered ones and stuff. So actually this was in 3 layers. The first layer had a heart or something like that, and I didn't want that. So I asked that guy, and he's like, yeah, he'll remove it. So I got this for 100, and I still have that chain here, but I don't think I can use it because it doesn't have any hook or something like that. So yeah, it's just it's in golden color. It was for 100, and it's 2 layered. And finally moving on to rubber bands. So my sister wanted scrunchies, so I got 3 scrunchies for her. This is black in color. It is in velvet. This is a bigger one. It's white, and this one is also in velvet. And I got a pink one in 4. So yeah, this is it for scrunchies and accessories. I'm done with this bag. And finally moving on to the last item, which is miscellaneous. I wasn't planning to buy it, but then I was like, yeah, I need it, and so I bought it at Miniso. It's this is brush. It was for 150 at Miniso, and I think it's really cheap. So yeah. I guess this is the Colaba haul. There were many cute shoes, chappal, slippers, but I didn't end up buying it. Everything was below 2000 rupees. So I'm happy that it came under budget. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment down below which was your favorite piece of jewelry, and also if you all want to see any video wherein I style these pieces of jewelry or clothes, then I wouldn't mind doing that. Also, if you all have any other video ideas for me, then do put it in the comment section below. I'll try to upload a new video every week, and if you all want to see some transition videos or stuff like that, then you all should do that on my Instagram. I'm going to put my ID here. So yeah, this is it from my side. I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.